Hello, fellow coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on a fascinating trip into the world of ancient coins. We'll explore how to preserve these historical treasures so they remain pristine for generations to come. Whether you've got a few ancient coins or a vast collection, these tips will help you protect their value and beauty. Before we start, now is the right time to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the history. Before we dive into preservation techniques, let's appreciate the rich history behind these ancient coins. For example, the Roman denarius, used during the Roman Republic and Empire. The denarius was a silver coin that played a crucial role in the Roman economy. These coins often feature portraits of emperors and deities. The denarius was introduced around 211 BC and was used extensively in trade and military payments. Key examples: they included coins depicting Julius Caesar and Augustus. The Chinese Tang Dynasty coins. These coins, known as Kaiyuan Tongbao, they were minted from 618 to 907 AD. They're notable for their square holes and inscriptions. Tang Dynasty is considered a golden age in Chinese history, and these coins were used in a period of great cultural and economic prosperity. Indian Gupta Dynasty coins. The Gupta Dynasty was from 320 to 550 AD. They produced beautiful gold coins depicting Hindu gods and goddesses. These coins are highly valued for their artistry and historical significance. The Gupta Empire is often referred to as the Golden Age of India, marked by significant achievements in arts, science, and literature. Each of these amazing coins tells a story of its time, making their preservation all the more important. Step 2. Proper handling. Handling ancient coins with care is the first step in preserving them. Here's how to do it. Wear gloves. Always wear cotton gloves when handling ancient coins, to prevent oils and dirt from your skin from damaging the coin's surface. Hold by the edges. If you must handle coins without gloves, hold them by the edges to avoid touching the faces. Use soft surfaces. Place coins on a soft, clean surface to avoid scratches or other damage. These simple practices can prevent wear and tear, preserving the coin's condition and value. Step 3. Safe storage. Storing ancient coins correctly is crucial for long-term preservation. Here are some expert tips. Coin holders. Use acid-free coin holders or flips to protect coins from environmental damage. Avoid PVC holders, as they can release harmful chemicals over time. Climate control. Store coins in a cool, dry place. High humidity and temperature fluctuations can cause corrosion and other damage. A dehumidifier can help maintain optimal conditions. Safe storage. Consider a safe or a safety deposit box for valuable coins. Ensure they are stored in a secure and stable environment. Proper storage can significantly extend the life of your ancient coins, keeping them in top condition. Step 4. Gentle cleaning. Cleaning ancient coins requires great care. Here's how to do it without causing damage. Avoid harsh chemicals. Never use harsh chemicals or abrasive materials to clean coins. These can strip away the coin's patina and damage its surface. Distilled water soak. For light cleaning, soak the coins in distilled water for a few hours. Use a soft brush to gently remove dirt. Change the water frequently. Professional cleaning. For valuable or heavily encrusted coins, consider professional cleaning services. Experts have the right tools and knowledge to clean coins without causing harm. Remember, less is more when it comes to cleaning ancient coins. Preservation of the original patina is crucial. Step 5. Documentation and research. Documenting your ancient coin collection is important for both preservation and valuation. Photograph each coin. Take high-quality photos of both sides of each coin. This helps in tracking their condition over time. Detailed records. Keep detailed records including the coin's origin, historical background, and any relevant purchase information. Research. Invest time in researching the history and significance of each coin. Understanding their context can enhance their value and interest. Proper documentation not only preserves the history of your coins but also adds to their overall value. And there you have it, fellow collectors. By understanding the history, handling it with care, storing it correctly, cleaning it gently, and documenting it meticulously, you can preserve your ancient coins for generations to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more numismatic tips, and share your own preservation techniques in the comments. Remember, every coin has a story, and it's our job to protect it. Until next time, happy collecting!